Welcome to MTV Cribs, my nigga. Gon' come in this motherfucker. Feel me? As y'all can see, the living room, it look like a living room. You feel me? We gonna start off with this wall right here. This motherfucker got the brick. I'ma try to stop cursing, cause I be cursing a lot on YouTube. But I ain't up yet. I ain't getting paid for this shit, so fuck it. This shit got the brick wall, brick finish. You feel me? This real brick. That shit hard how they did it, cause nigga, we high as hell in the sky. I don't even know what floor we on. We got the bull painting. Hard as hell. Little dining table right here for, you know, eating food or whatever, playing games. Lamp right there. Big ass Samsung TV. You can connect your phone, but I don't know the damn internet password. All these shit's empty. Come right here. This self-explanatory. We got a menu for some food and shit from the hotel. And they also got a spa. Y'all see them prices though? Yeah, fuck all that. I ain't came for that. Phone to call your people up. Couch area. I like this cause Nick can sit right here, read a book, you feel me? Edit videos, whatever you wanna do. Then, you come back here, got your fridge, you feel me? Nothing in this bitch. What the fuck? Fridge, hotel. Oh yeah. This is the name of the hotel right here. If y'all want to come, you know. You gotta spend that shit though. But they got some water. This Fiji water, $8 fucking. They got the hotel water. This water kind of sexy. I like how they present that.
That's their own water.
I don't know what this is.
Sunscreen.
Sunscreen. They don't come with it. Coffee. Yup. Big ass mirror. Then, oh yeah, and it come with a safe and some more room. Then we come up in here. This the bathroom. Feel me? Nice size bathroom. Shit, this shit self-explanatory too. Y'all see how this shit look? Little nice shit. Little nice shit. If y'all do want to book this hotel, this all the shit it come with though. Feel me? So y'all can see everything it come with. And it come with this, I think. It ain't plugged up, but it's a little mirror with a little light on that bitch. Now, I know y'all probably like, where the fuck is the bedroom at? Bedroom right here. We had some shit going on, so don't mind all this shit. You walk in, you got the view. This one right here got 2 beds, lamp over there, another Samsung TV. Shit, I ain't even know this light was right here. Shit, fuck it though. Little closet, y'all don't need to see that. We got shit in there. Then you get here, feel me? You got your view. We on goddamn whatever floor this is. Shit.
11.
We at the top, nigga.
Yeah.
Nice ass view. And they got the valet shit. They park your car over there. And that, yep, they park your car right there. With nice view and shit. And shit, how long this video is?
4 minutes.
Shit.
What?
4 minutes.
You explaining every little thing.
Damn. We got some motherfucking. These are privacy curtains, but you can. Well, I don't think these privacy
that
curtains.
is.
These privacy curtains.
Mm-hmm.
Privacy curtains. Then you get these motherfuckers. These the
Blackout curtains.
blackout curtains. Yeah. When you want this bitch pitch black. Yeah. See how it just disappeared. Yeah. We gonna open these back up though. I need that view. Shit. Open these back up. Yeah, bro. We had a lot of shit going on in here, so. I don't know what's in these drawers. Something in here?
I put stuff in there.
Oh.
They got a Bible in there.
Oh, it didn't come with a Bible? The rest of these shit's empty. God damn. That shit missing a thing. It come with a Bible. If y'all believe in Jesus, he's here. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all.
You didn't.
What? Oh yeah. And we got this fucking 7-foot mirror.
This shit costs.
They got this old ass thermostat. This shit costs too much money to goddamn. They need to upgrade that. Well yeah, that's goddamn. That's pretty much it, y'all. I would walk through the goddamn pool and show y'all all this other shit, but watch the goddamn vlog. Fuck all that shit. Oh, and this shit, right by the river walk, I might put like clips of the pool and shit in here, and shit. Matter of fact, fuck all that. Y'all just getting this shit. This shit 2 minutes. Fuck it. I'ma upload that motherfucker. I might add something to make this whole longer, but shit, that's gonna be the end. Hold on, fuck it. Let me end it in here. Y'all follow me right quick. That's gonna be the end of this fucking. That's gonna be the end of this video. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. I should be dropping a POV with the AMG after this, or the Benz A220. I say AMG because the flow mat say AMG, but that's gonna be the end of this video, bro. Y'all got down. Do whatever the fuck you wanna do. Shit, that's it.